Okay, hello students, this is Miss Dunlap. I want to let you know that I'm a little bit disappointed with the homework. So what we're going to do a review that I want you guys to go and review the video, and then we're going to get together a little later in reference to, so I can make sure that those of you who are having problems are doing better with this particular target. So the target simply states that I can use the 4 operations to solve word problems involving simple fractions and decimals. We are going to use the read, write, draw strategy. I've been stressing this, guys, and many of you are not using it. And I can tell you're not using it because, one, the work that you showed me, that you tried to show, is just not connecting with the problem. So we're gonna take a look at this one homework problem, and hopefully after that you guys will be on point. And again, we're gonna look at this a little later. So basically, let me get the problem. It involves a word problem, and this is what it says. Carrie has 2 meters of ribbon. She cuts off pieces of ribbon that are 5/10 meter, 1/10 meter, and 7/10 meter. How long is the remaining piece of ribbon? Now, when I say rewrite the question, I want you to understand the question and then rewrite the statement as if you're answering the question. So let's look at it. It says, how long is the remaining piece of ribbon? So we're going to write the remaining piece of ribbon is, so that we're clear. We're looking for remaining. And what does remaining tell us? I hope you guys saying the same thing. It tells us that something that is left. And then so if we're looking for something that is left, then what operation that we're going to be using? Now, I hope you also said we're going to be using subtraction and forms of. So anyway, we're going to be using a subtraction. So I hope you guys got that. So let's model the problem now. Again, I'm going to write down what we're using because I'm not going to write the whole problem. You have your worksheet that you can refer to. Oops. So the pieces of ribbon that was cut is, let's see, 5/10, 1/10, 7/10. Okay, so we want to model our fraction. And how many equal parts do we have? Okay, I'll give you a minute. Oh, I know you guys said 10 because you're so bright. All right, so let's get this done. Miss D is going to go ahead and draw the model. And remember, oh, I forgot one thing, and I know somebody caught this. We also need to put 2 meters up here. Because that's how many meters much of ribbon we started off with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, it's not equal parts, but guys, you understand that you must have the number of equal parts, a total number of equal parts noted in our denominator. And how many do we need of these? We need at least 2. So we're going to go ahead and draw our model of our second tense. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think I have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we do have 10. So make sure that when you guys are doing it, that you have the correct number of equal parts. And then what we're going to do now, we're going to label all of the pieces of ribbon that were cut. So first, we have 5/10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want us to label that. That's 5/10. All right. And we're going to look at the next fraction that was cut, a ribbon that was cut. And let's put that in a different color. That is 1/10. I don't know if you guys can see that real well. I'm trying to do the different colors so it'll come up. So that's 1/10. That's right in there. And then we have 7/10 that we need to represent. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7/10. And again, we want to label that. All right. And then we're going to count what we have left. And remember, it says remaining. So what's remaining? Let's count it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're also going to label that. That is 7/10, and that's remaining. Okay? So we have that remaining, and what I want to do is go here and put in our answer, 7/10. However, we need to check it. We need to check and make sure that our answer is correct. Although we have a good representation here, I still want us to go a little bit further. So we said that we have 2 meters, and I hope that you guys recognize that with those 2 meters, we actually have, oh, I heard it. We actually have 20/10. So what can we do with that? I'm going to take this out. And we're going to do our check over here. You always want to check and make sure you're correct. So understanding that we have 20/10 in our model. And how many pieces did we cut? So we have 5/10 plus 1/10 plus 7/10. And all of you guys got that right. All of you guys got 13/10. Most of you did the problem, but you misread the word problem. You had to add that, and then we subtract that 13/10. And voila, what did we get? Yeah, 7/10. So we got 7/10 here, 7/10 there. That checks. And so now you guys done a superb job. But again, you must, from now on, I need to see this strategy. Because again, many of you did not do so well on this particular assignment, which will be coming back to you to redo. I hope by doing this problem that helps. If it does not, I can see some of you guys in small group, and you can also go ahead and listen to this video. All right, guys, thank you so much, and good luck.